Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Amanda.
Okay, let's all go in. Alright. Does you want to get yourself something?
No, I don't.
Oh my god!
What? Yo, what the f?
He hit his mirror.
What the f happened there, bro? I got a Dashcam. I got a Dashcam. I did not. I got a Dashcam. Don't help me.
Micah!
I'll check my Dashcam right now.
Are you kidding me?
I got no damage. Yeah, I see.
That was a right turn only lane, doofus.
Good job, man. Good job.
Grove Road.
Oh man, that guy's an idiot, bro. I gotta pull over, bro. Look, he's trying to flee. He's trying to flee. Look, he hit that guy. He's trying to flee, bro. Pull over! about that. Yo, pull over! Pull over! Pull over now!
Don't know what that idiot was thinking.
Who was it? The car?
That's the car.
Where are we going? Where are you going?
I'm gonna stop and tell him.
He was here. He was having fun. He was excited though.
But you gonna have to give another kill?
I think he's calming down. It's not like he was do you know?
Oh, I got my shoes today.
We just got hit.
No, did you?
And they left.
What happened here? Are you okay?
Yes, we're fine.
Please tell me you're okay.
We're fine.
You want me to come get you?
No, we're fine.
Oh my God! Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.